Oh, I'm here to pray. I'm in a building. What about the rest of the time you're not? See, if God wanted you only to focus on this, then why did He make these other things? Then we have the all-physical people. I could have used them out here this morning. Move a few bricks for me. They're the people that can't even scratch their nose because their arms are too big. They work out 4 hours a day, every day. I mean, it's important to be healthy and have physical fitness. But again, people focus on this. And many times when people focus on this, they're not successful in all the other areas. They might look good, they might have a washboard stomach, but they're usually not financially successful. Then you have the all-emotional people. Oh. 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 Always sad for everybody and feeling sorry for everybody and being upset about every problem and stressed out about all the things going on in their life. The all-emotional people. Then we have the all-social people. Now I got their attention. I was wondering when he was going to crack another joke. Come on, liven it up. This is a big show. Let's have some fun. Don't be so serious up here. The all social people, right? Fun, 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 fun. Where's the next party? Where's the next party? Where are we going? When are they playing the music again? The all social people, all they care about is the next thing. What's exciting? What's fun? Where are we going? When's the next trip? Then we have the all financial people. The all financial people. All they care about is money, 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 money. What can I buy? What can I buy? What can I buy? How nice is my car? How big is my house? How much bling bling do I have? Money, money, money. Everything's about money. Everything they look at is about money. How much money they got? How much money they got? That's how they judge and assess people. How much money do they have? The all money people. So, there's lots of people who are out of balance because they focus on a particular area instead of focusing on all areas of life and working on being successful in all areas of life. That's what true success is. And if you build your foundation solidly where you have your finances together, you have your social life together, you have great relationships, that you have it together emotionally, mentally, physically, and spiritually. Once we have that in place, then we can move on to the secondary bricks of life. Positive attitude. Positive attitude. See, most people today don't have a positive attitude. They have a pessimistic attitude. They even have a negative attitude. You must have a positive attitude. Because I can tell you, life is not fair. I love the people always talking about, it's just not fair. It's just not fair. It's just not fair. Life is not fair. And you can't ask life to be fair because it never will be fair. What you got to ask for is life to be worth it. That's why you got to have a positive attitude at all times.